So guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Cess Vee, ang Chitang Pinay ng Whitey, and this is actually a 1-minute video unboxing moment. So that's it guys, thank you so much for watching, and this is Cess Vee, ang Chitang Pinay ng Whitey. Goodbye!
A decade later.
Joke! Charet! Credits to Cool J Stream! So, the official unboxing is actually yung susunod guys. So, watch out for this. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Cess Vee, ang chinag... Welcome back to my channel, and this is Cess Vee, ang chinitang Pinay ng YT, and you're here tuning in sa aking unboxing moment with our new item. So, this item is WD Elements Basic Storage Stockage Simple Mint. So, ayan. Alright, so this is a capacity of 2 terabyte. So, ayan, before we are going to open this one, just to tell you honestly, I opened this part already. So, ayan, so it will be easy for me to open it. Okay, so before anything else, I'm just going to read the things that they're saying out here. Okay, alright, so let's start. So WD Elements, for the compatibility, it is compatible with Windows 10, Windows 8.1, or Windows 7 operating systems, and it requires reformatting for Mac operating system. So, ayan. Okay, and what else? What else? Okay, so this has a massive capacity in a small enclosure, plug and play simplicity. And what else? Okay, I think that's it. Okay, they were saying something in here. Purchase subject to additional terms and conditions, including arbitration provision found inside. Okay, as used for storage capacity, 1 gigabyte is equal to 1 billion bytes, and 1 terabyte is equal to 1 trillion bytes. Total accessible capacity varies depending on operating environment. Okay. Alright, so we are just going to open this item right here, right now. Okay. So it has a transparent storage inside. Okay, so this is the device. This is the installation. No, not the installation. This is the, what do you call that? The manual, user manual, and this is the cable. Alright, so I'll just set it aside. And okay, so we're going to open the device. So we're just going to look at the device anyway. Okay, so this is our device. So it is really handy. So I have a small hand, so if you have a big hand, if you're a man, so it's really smaller than you think it is. Okay, so the WD Elements tagged, should I say? I really don't know how you say the brand. Yes, the brand. WD Element brand has been engraved in here. Okay, and yes, as you can see, it is really shiny on the edges. Okay, and it's really thin, so wherever you go you can just hold it like that, or just like a phone. So, and this product is from Thailand. Okay, so we have the user manual, so let us try to read like a pro. Alright, so this is so big. So it feels like I'm going to read a newspaper back in the days, okay? Alright, so binding individual arbitration and class action waiver agreement. So you have the agreement in here, so if you want to read about it, then you better do so, okay? But in my case, this storage device, I already tested and proven this one, so I think maybe if it I just like to read and read and read, okay, maybe I can, but I don't think so. So if you have any problems about this device, then you can contact their technical support services. Okay, so they have in North America for English and Spanish, and for the Europe, yeah, they say it's toll-free where available Europe, Middle East, and Africa. Also, there are a technical support service in Asia Pacific, Japan, Australia, New Zealand, and Russia. So this is it. Okay, so you can find it in here. Alright, so okay, so let's move on to the next, and the last one is actually the cable. Alright, so this is the cable. This is the one where you're going to connect your laptop or your CPU, and this portion, this part is the one that you're going to connect to your device, storage device. Okay, so this is it. Okay, and we're just going to connect it like that. So just make sure that you already pushed through it, so just to make sure that it is really connected. And please, when you're going to use it, don't move it a lot for you to not have a loose cable in here. So you need to buy another one, and I think it's really hard to look for another kind, especially when it's not the original that is with the storage device. Okay, so that's it for the unboxing moment. I would just like to share to you the one that I have, and this is an old storage device. So I've got this storage bag. This is it. The brand is I don't know, I really forgot what brand is this or what's the name, but it's okay, so it looks like this inside. Right, and I really don't know where I should put my storage device. Should it be in here or just in here? But what I am doing is like this. Okay, so I'm putting the cord in here, because even though the storage device is scratch free, then I don't want this sharp edges that will scratch the surface of my storage device. So that's why I'm keeping it in here. And I also have this mini wallet, and what's inside are my USB, another USB, and card reader, another card reader. Okay, so that's for the devices that I've got. Just for the comparison of the two storage device that I have is this one. So they actually have the same size, but this is the old one, and as you can see, we have actually a WD Elements brand in color white, and it is only a it's not engraved. It is just a, ano bang tawag dito? Hindi ko na alam, basta ganun. Ayun. And this one, the new one, has been engraved. Okay, another thing is the old one is a product of Malaysia, and the new one is the product of Thailand, but they are really the same. They look the same and they have the same size, because they are of the same brand. Only maybe they upgraded a little bit. And so that's it. And that's about it. Even at the back, guys. So this one, it's totally plain, but this one, it's engraved. Okay, so that's it. Alright, so thank you so much for watching my unboxing moment, guys, with this item that we have today. Before I'm going to end this vlog, I would just like to tell you and suggest to you that if you're looking for a storage device that is really a quality one, so I advise you to get one of the WD Elements products. So this is not a sponsored item, but I would just like to recommend this one. It is because I really have this old one and it's really nice. So for those of you who are really looking for a storage device, I advise you to get the one that has a bigger capacity. So if you have a budget, then better to get a 5 gig capacity of the storage device. In my case, I just took the 2 terabyte because I was really so tight in the budget. But then I think that's really fine and it's still nice. So I believe that I might get another one by maybe hopefully 2027. Hopefully. Alright, anyway, so whenever you buy things outside, guys, so there are factors that you need to consider. So first thing, of course, if you have a budget and you really need to think about if it is really needed or it is just really your wants. So you just need to think about it, guys, a million times. So you will not need to worry right after you buy it, or those are the things that you need to think about whenever you buy something outside, okay? Just an additional tip, guys, I would just like to share to you that whenever you have your storage device with you, I advise you to get a storage bag in order for you to have your device as good as new. Okay, so you will not have a problem with your storage device whenever it will be it will be dropped anywhere. So just to make sure that it's really safe, so all your data will be really also safe. So guys, thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed my video and I hope to see you in my next vlog. Once again, this is Cess Vee, ang chinitang Pinay ng YT. Alright, so ciao everyone, I love you.